Connie and Curtis.
Can you give me a little taste of your gobble? We're about 5 minutes away from the gobble off. Can you give me a little of your gobble right now? That's a good one. That's Connie's gobble. Sam, you also go with the tongue gobble. Can we hear your goggle?
Can we hear goggle?
Oh, that's a good one.
I like her tongue. Her tongue goes. It's like all over her mouth.
She's all
Do
around.
it again, Sam.
She's moving it. Now, I'm a full-on head shaker myself. I go, gobble, 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 gobble. I get the jowls into it. And it's gobble, 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 gobble. You got to do yours then. Let's see you for CNC.
Look at her tongue.
Oh, gobbling is great.
Connie and Curtis.
On Channel 95.7.